I'm Mauricio Umansky.
And I'm Marco Rufo with the agency. We are here today to show you this wonderful home at 309 East Rustic Road. Got this wonderful vibe here in Santa Monica. Can't wait to show it to you.
This is an amazing location, an extraordinary home, and just blocks from the ocean. So Marco, it's been so much fun getting this house ready, to sell it, with you and preparing it for sale. But I'm just wondering, what's your favorite part about this home?
The uniqueness about this home to me is the location. Location being minutes away from the beach, wonderful restaurants down the street. I like to exercise, so you got the stairs right up the street, and the neighbors on the street, from what I understand from the owner, are fantastic.
And tell me a little bit about the master bedroom and the master bathroom.
Master bedroom is fantastic. It's a really large bedroom. It's got a wonderful sitting area, which is also almost the size of the bedroom. And then walk-in bath, wonderful feeling. It's got a lot of light, it's bright. And then behind that, you've got the master closet, which the master closet is very unique, very detailed.
Yeah, I agree. I find like the master closet almost looks like a Chanel showroom, right?
Right, correct. But from the master, when you have the doors that go to the backyard where the pool is and the sitting area, that's one of my favorite vistas back there. It's very private, and if you're with your wife and you just want to have a moment and you drink some wine, and then you have the roof deck. The roof deck has the chef's kitchen. It's got a dumbwaiter that takes the food up, right? So if you really want to entertain and you're an entertainer, you've got a lot of places to entertain. You've got a lot of vignettes. The side yard over there with the wonderful vistas of the mountains. And then on the roof, you've got the canyon. You've got the ocean.
So I would say that from a lifestyle perspective, this house is an extraordinary house to both entertain, enjoy, live, for family, for friends. The quality is absolutely extraordinary, and if you like living near the ocean and being across the street from Giorgio Baldi and the stairs, the Santa Monica steps, using them every single day, there's no better place to live than this home right here.
I couldn't agree more, Mauricio. Let's get this done.